Hi guys, today I will solve two problems regarding Windows 10 PCs, which I have been faced long before ago. Okay, so what is the problem? The first one, I could not see my this PC icon right here and some others icon as well. And problem two is that all of the icons are gone from the desktop. All. It's totally blank. I could not see any icon in my PC. And I searched YouTube and other resources too, but I couldn't find a proper tutorial about it. You can find a lot of tutorial again, just about this PC icon, something like that, but you could not find the all those icons are gone from the PC and proper tutorial. Okay, so let me show you how. But first of all, guys, please subscribe my channel. This is totally new channel and this is the first video I have made, so forgive about my any mistake. Okay, so let's get into it. So how, go to the personalize option. Okay, go to themes and you will see right here there is an option called desktop icon setting. Let me zoom it for you. Right here, see this option. Okay, just click on it and you will see this icon. So see, yeah, this one. Just click on it, which whatever you want to say, what you want to to show in your desktop, like this computer, user files, this file beans, control panel, network, whatever you say, just and hit apply. Voila, you got it. There you go. Let me zoom it for you. This PC is come back to home. Recycle bin, control panel, user profiles, and all are here, right? Okay. And problem number 2. So as per the problem number 2, I could not see any icons in my desktop. Okay, it's totally gone from my PC. I couldn't find it anywhere. Anyhow, let me show you. If you go to the personalize option, like before, go to themes, desktop icons, you can see all are already checked. Just check it again and hit apply, and still everything is gone. Nothing is at home. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. It's just a simple click. Go here, view, show desktop icon. See, just click on it. Everything will be back as new as home. Okay, and also for bonus here you get, if you want to make larger icons like that, just click on it, and something just medium and small. Those who are like I sometimes like small icons. Yeah, see, it's nothing. Okay, so thanks dosto. I'll show you in next videos. Okay, thanks for watching.